We are here at Masdar City Mall. Ito ang Masdar City. Magdi-dinner lang kami dito sa Masdar City sa Japanese restaurant, sa aming paboritong Japanese restaurant. Maliit na shopping mall lang siya. Ayan ang food court. May Carrefour. Kasi dito kami nagka-Carrefour minsan eh. Nagsusupermarket. So, dito kami sa Sushi Art. Dito kami umu-order sa Talabat. This one. Dito kami umu-order sa Talabat. Dito rin kami kumakain. Ganda ng restaurant nila. May misusu. Yummy. No. It's not your face is not gonna be there.
Then?
Show me how to eat the.
I cannot show you.
Show me how to eat that.
I cannot.
Yeah. Show.
My face gonna be.
No, gonna be blur.
Alema, you eat some?
Tingnan nyo guys kung at paano siya kumain ng ng edamame. Dali, show me.
Eat some.
No, just show me. Ayan o. Ay, humarap. Eat some salad cucumber. And look at this. Yummy.
Thank you very much.
It's better to order in. Grabe maglagay ng ginger, oh. Sarap. Yummy.
Ay, sticking there. Don't.
Is there a wasabi? Where's wasabi? Here, Papa.
No, it's good. You didn't see the wasabi. Thank you.
Yummy. Let's try one. Look at this. Help.
Should I eat the... These cornflakes.
Harap. Taob. Thank you. Tapos na kami mag-dinner. Ano? Masdar City. This is Masdar City Mall, right? Masdar City Mall. Yan. We're done. Finish. Bye, Masdar City. See you never.